Good morning, Miami! Just want to give y'all a quick tour of the house that we have here in Miami. And we're going to start with the best part of the house, which is this pool. Look at this pool. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We've got a sitting area out here. Daisy, you need to be here, girl. You would love this. I'm so excited. Look, there's fishies in the pool. We have a big pink flamingo over there. This view is just unreal. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Peyton. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm so in love. Mom and I had coffee out here and watched the boats go by this morning. We have a private dock here. This is looking down into the canal. Hey, Jason. This is the $20 million mansion across the canal from us. I think that's the $15 million mansion across the canal from us. And at night, that sucker right there has an infinity pool that glows. It lights up that whole house. It's gorgeous. I'll have to show you. And then this is, I don't know if it's the bay or the International or the Coastway, or I don't know what it is, but it's looking out onto the island that actually makes up Miami Beach. And this boat right here says, "It's my life." I love it. I think it's perfect. I don't think they take this boat out very often, but maybe they do. Maybe I just don't know how things happen in Miami. But anyway, y'all, I'm super excited. My memories came up. Oh, hold on. Let me turn this around. Does this work? Hey, good morning. I'm super excited because my Facebook memories popped up this morning, and today, last year, we were in Tampa talking all about apartment blitz and talking about how to get started buying multifamily units, how to find them, how to fund them, how to flip them for, 6 figures of an assignment fee, how to do all the things with commercial real estate, because y'all know that commercial real estate, apartments, storage units, hotels, all of the things are totally different than residential real estate. And yes, you can do the creative stuff, but I haven't done any creative stuff. I've done regular bank financing. I even have 2 apartment complexes that I bought out of foreclosure. So last year we were in Tampa talking about all of that stuff, and this year it's so funny because last year I'd rented a hotel conference room, and I had all the tables, all the chairs, I had all the props, I had all the decorations, I had all the things that I thought I was supposed to have if I was gonna be successful and teach women how to get some deals done. And we did the hotel thing one more time. We went to Asheville last year to learn about private money, borrowing private money from other people and using that to fund your deals. So I've done the hotel thing. And what I learned was, and I learned very quickly, because the next event we held it in a house like this. A big old fancy house. My girls like to sit in the living room or sit around the dining room table and talk about getting their deals done. They don't want that normal hotel ballroom experience. All right, girls, I got you. All right, and we talk about vacation rentals. We talk about having big multi-million-dollar houses that we can let other people come and rent. So it suits us to have a big fancy house. And that's what we're going to do this week. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We're going to be talking all about apartments. We're going to be talking about storage units. We're going to be talking about multi-family deals. We're going to be talking about multi-tenant deals. And we're going to get to hang out by the pool. We're going to get to hop in the hot tub. We're going to have so much fun this week in Miami. Apartment Blitz! Woo! I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait. The Mastermind girls will be here on Wednesday, and we will get to dive right into all the fun topics. A lady's coming from Atlanta, Stacy Rossetti, to talk about storage units, and Jason is flying down tomorrow. He's going to be talking about apartments. I'm going to be here to throw in my little tidbits and whatnots. But I taught this event last year, and this year I'm here to help. And I'm super excited about it. And Apartment Blitz, this is going to be Apartment Blitz 2.0. It is going to be the finalized situation. And we will be having an event next year in Florida. We haven't decided where in Florida yet. We're actually going to vote on it. I got it narrowed down to 2 places. We're going to vote on that on Friday of this week. So I hate that you're not going to be able to make it to Miami with us, but it's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. And maybe you are coming. Maybe Mastermind girls, if you're coming, give me a GIF or give me a little smiley emoji or give me some comments, Mastermind girls, if you're excited to get here. Give me a little bathing suit. Speaking of bathing suits, y'all, don't forget your bathing suit. And I don't know what I was thinking, but it was snowing in Knoxville when I left. And so maybe get some of that lotion that makes you not look like Casper the Ghost. You know, the little like self-tanning lotion. Maybe hit some of that. Gonna have to go buy some a razor and shaving cream because I did not shave my legs because I got my winter coat on because it's snowing at home, but it is not snowing in Miami. Y'all bring your bathing suit. Get ready to learn, but get ready to have some fun too because we're in Miami. It's quiet here. There's a big fish. It's quiet here right now, but it was not quiet on this canal last night. I think Miami's a little bit like New York, and it's the city that never sleeps. I slept, though. I slept like a baby upstairs. Okay, I don't see the fish. I was hoping it was a dolphin, and I was going to show you. Yay! All right. Y'all have a fantastic day. Give you one last shot of the pool. If you want to know more about Apartment Blitz, you can go to apartmentblitz.com. Check it out. All the videos from last year are already uploaded, ready to go, so you can get started. And we're going to be recording the sessions from this year, and we will put those up into the modules as soon as you buy Apartment Blitz. Then you get everything that I add to it from now until forever. apartmentblitz.com. Bye, y'all.